All right, guys, hopefully you can hear me. Got some wind blowing here. Still dealing with this dang fire just outside town here. Keeps creeping this way. No danger to us really, but kind of annoying when the smoke sets in and you can't breathe. But anyway, new panel. This one definitely looks a little different than the other one. It actually kind of looks like the one that's on here. So we are going to open up the shop and get this cleaned up. Probably, I might open this up some more just to get in here a little bit easier. And then we'll take this all the way off across the back here and into this panel. So go from there. I mean, to be honest with you, it might just be easiest to patch the whole thing in here like it's supposed to be. So we'll see. I don't know if I really, we'll see. We'll do some poking around here and see what we can find out, and we'll go from there. So let's get rolling on this little thing and see what we can do. All right, let's give ourselves a nice, clean, straightish, solid body line to work with here. Obviously, this is just a kind of a guide. So once I cut this off, we'll remake this piece and then weld it back in here. And we'll start working our way out. We'll coat all this so it kills the rust. I'll put this inner piece back in here, and then I'll fit this outer piece. So let's get grinding. Just killing some rust, no big deal. Just a little bit of just scaling up on this stuff. It's nothing major. So we're gonna put some Corro-Seal on here, which it's time for a new bottle of this lovely stuff. And then I'll flatten these welds out a little bit more once this dries up. The backside's all done and ground down. I'll show you that here in a second. Figured I would spackle this on here and get it drying, and then I will primer it before we put the outside of the rear quarter on here. Just trying to get our rust stopped. No sense putting the car together and leaving all of this bare, because all it's going to do is rust again. So, oops. Yeah, get this smeared on here on the backside too, and then I'll show you what I got going on.
One pair of pants later.
Hopefully between the wind and the little pony running here you can hear me, but I got that piece all cut in there, welded in. I just kind of got going on it and got it done. So it's all in there, it's all sealed up. Hold on a second. All sealed up, all welded up around the back. You can't see it now, but I replaced that inner piece on the inside of the fender there. I also coated the whole inside of it, so it's all taken care of and done and sealed up. So they'll do the final body work on it, primer it, get it on its road home. So they're gonna come pick it up tomorrow. This is one off the list. So we'll keep plucking away here, and you guys can keep following along if you'd like. So like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Until next time, guys, keep building awesome stuff. Later.